And first he come to Kilbogie town, with his wee short coat and his tartan plaidie. First when he come his bonny lassie to see, she lay in her bed till the breakfast was ready. Off and the breakfast was laid out, it was laid out and gotten ready. I'll stick her mother and say her had nothing to do with a healing laddie. So they both get out to take a walk. They take a walk till the dinner was ready. He hastened her up on his high horse's back, and she's far, far away for her home in Kilbogie. Then it's first day healing to come. There was nothing there fitting for a lady. There was nobody there to welcome her home with an all kind of cuddle and an all make a way for you. That carriage and horses were well prepared. That carriage and horses was gotten ready.